Let's make this. This is part 2 of 8 of my series with the collaboration with Strongink, and today I'm building the PKST-6 Streamline gold pen kit. Okay, I'm looking for the Streamline pen kit. This is the bushings, the drill bit, and that's the pen kit. Well, let's get started. Prepare the pen blank, measure cut to length, that'll do in a bandsaw, drill the 7mm hole, do the gluing, get it in the lathe and turn the Streamline pen. There's a bit of prep to do with the brass tubes, they need to be scuffed up. Looking forward to this pen. I'm going to use African blackwood. I have heard that this is one of the most expensive woods on earth. A clean, simple design, perfect for a classic pen. The pen blank prep is just about done. I need to do the trimming and seat it to the brass tube. Now, with this process, a lot of steps are going to be skipped. So if there's any questions about any of the steps, let me have it in the description below. Wow, like chocolate flakes, and the smell, it smells amazing. Okay, so let me pack the mandrel and then I can get on with the turning. That's looking good. That's basically the rough shaping. It's coming along very well. African blackwood is amazing. And let's move on to the sanding. Now that's coming along nicely. I want to do a bit of sealant and then the final CA glue. It's going to be a good pen. The blank is shaping nicely. Smooth cuts and good control. The gluing is done, and now for the final polishing, and after that it is assembly. Just wait for the brasa to dry, and then we can do the buffing. And let's have a look. Now, as shiny as a mirror. Okay, now it's time for assembly. Look at that shine. Wow. Okay, let me just clean up the edges. Okay, let's assemble. Wow. Everything lines up cleanly. Always a good sign with pen kits. Very happy with that. I would say this is a little bit more classier than your normal Streamline pen, and I'll show you why. The middle is the same, but look at the end. There is nothing wrong with these pen kits. Love them. Very excited. Look at that. And that's the finished Streamline pen using the Strongink kit. Simple, clean and functional. I'm very happy with the outcome. Up next, in part 3, I'll be working with a gold twist pen, and I'll be using bird's eye poplar. Very scarce wood, especially with the bird's eye spots in it, so that will be the next pen. So to all your pen turners out there, enjoy your pen turning, enjoy your workshop, and until part 3. Laka laka.